Okay, so I'm just gonna start coding. What I'm doing here is trying to figure out if I can move move an image like they do in those 2D platformer games. So if I press W, um, this will go up. If I press S, it'll go down, like that sort of game. Yeah. So I was just thinking of making a custom class. Let me rename this. I'm gonna call it player. Yes, I do want to rename it. Yeah, so we're just gonna build this off of a panel, a WinForms panel, because then I'll be able to draw on our panel using system.windows.forms. There we go. The next thing we're going to do is create a public image that I'll be able to change in a different file. So I'll make this a property. Oops, I've got the name. Image. We're going to get and set. Actually, that'll do. I'm going to make our own function instead of using the default. Yeah, so I can make it do something when someone gets it or sets it. Set. So when we get it, we return this dot image. Just do background image. That'll do. This dot background image equals value. I'll get rid of these usings because I don't need them at the moment. Perfect. Alright. Whenever a player gets initialized or has another instance created, we can handle that as well. So actually, I don't think we're going to need that. Actually, yeah, we are. I need to set some event listeners. Hold on a minute. Wait a minute. No, we don't need that. We just need to create an override. Protected override void on paint. We're going to have the default on paint called, and then we're going to run our own code. So we're going to need this. Get rid of that. Okay. Another thing I was thinking about before, so I will need this. I was thinking about doing this before I actually started coding. I wanted to do while true invalidate, so we keep repainting it, repainting it, repainting it, repainting it over and over again. I also don't want this running on the main thread, so I'll just task to run. repaint on a loop. I'd probably say int and in. I keep messing up my words. Anyway, what do we need to do next? Well, actually, we don't really need to do anything in the paint just yet. We need a function that moves the player. We won't use this. We won't use this. We need public void move player by values. Int x, int y. These are just going to be offsets. We can move the player according to the input. So by default, our panel has an x and y in the position object. So I can just do position. This dot position. Location. X plus equals x. So x is just referring to our local parameter here. Okay. So here, this is read only, so we can't change this. I forgot about that. We need to change this to left. This dot top plus equals y. Be better if I just rename this. Give me a minute. Oh, I forgot the key command. Oh, control R, control R, that's it. Okay, so offset x. Offset y. Sorry, my mic just stopped working. Okay, it's back on. Will this work? Let's give it a try. Player equals new player. Modify panel control. Player dot move what did I call it? I call it move player by values. And that's public. Hold on a second. Move player by values. 1, 1. Okay. It's also a good idea to repaint and validate. After it changes those values, okay. Anyway. Let's build it and give it a try. Okay, there we go. So that doesn't look like it's doing anything while I'm pressing keys. Oh wait, yes it is. Is it? Oh, I think it is. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Let's make this like 50-50 or something. Rebuild it. Yeah, that's definitely not working. Alright, we need to fix that. Oh, I think I know why. So, that was what I was testing before. We haven't actually added the control to the form, so let's do that. Controls.add player. Okay, let's try that again. The background hasn't been set. Let me fix that. Um, just add like an image or something. Let me just hide my screen for a second. Stream starting soon. Ignore that. That's just for my live streams. Okay. Um, the reason I'm hiding my screen is I'm going through my files. Add existing file. Pictures. We'll go with the RGB Among Us player. Perfect. Okay. We're going with this. Player dot background. Wait, there's actually no reason to do this. I don't know why I did that, but I don't know. Resources. Among Us player RGB. Let's run it. Alright, it's moving. That's a start. It's moving too fast, that's the problem. Let's change that back to 1-1. And another problem is that image is just tiling. It's not stretching to fit the actual frame that we're drawing it on. So I'm just gonna do public player. We can add the function again, yes. We'll set the, what's it called? Just type background, see what comes up. I don't know. Hold on, let me see. Background image layout. Okay. It doesn't exist. Crap. What? It says background image, but there's no background image layout. Does that exist on the panel? Yeah, there it is. Background image layout. Look at the designer code. Maybe I might be able to find it there. Stretch. Okay. Let's copy and paste. See what happens. So does it not work without this? What was I typing before? Background image layout. Oh, I was typing background wrong. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Okay, whatever. It's fixed now. Let's run it once again. Stretch res. Perfection. Another problem is, doesn't matter what key we press, it will go down in this direction. We need it to go in the direction that we want it to go. We need to handle that in here. We figure out what key they're pressing and go in that direction. So if e.keycode equals keys dot a, so that's just, wait no, w. So if it's w, we want to go up. A better way to do this is to just set two variables, x and y, and we modify them in the if statement, and then we call this function after. So we'd have to keep calling the same function. It'll look messy. Int of x equals 0, int of y equals 0. Okay, so in here we're moving up. So we need to set, let me make an int here and name it speed. The speed is going to be 10. Speed offset. We're going to change off y because y is up and down. Mic stopped working again. So y is up and down, x is left and right. Since let me get this. Let's get Notepad open. Visual Studio won't let me show my mouse cursor. Okay. So imagine you start up at this corner. You got 0, 0. Go down. You got x and y, so it's 1 and 0. The y is 0 because it's all the way down here, all the way at the start. The x is 1 because, what am I saying? It's the other way around. Oh god. I just messed that up. Okay, so the y is 1 and the x is 0. Let me just do this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the y values. Starts all the way from 0. It's the same thing for x. You get the point. So let me just do this real quick. So say I'm at 2, 7. 7 is here, 2 is here, so it would be around here somewhere. That's how things are drawn on screen. They're done with x and y. Just wanted to explain that. Off x, oops, off y equals minus speed, and we're going to use these variables here. Off x, off y. By the way, this is not a tutorial. I just wanted to record my coding because I wanted to, and I'm allowed to. Anyway, so I might actually change to a switch statement. That'd be a much better idea. Yeah, so switch e dot keycode case keys dot w. That needs to be, yep. And I'm gonna have that. Get rid of that. And we're gonna do s now. Keys dot s. Off y equals speed. This is negative and this is positive. Yeah, if you imagine 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the higher it is, the lower it is for the y-axis. That's why s down is going to be positive. Yes, that needs to break. That needs to be broken. Okay, next one. Case. I keep typing a string. Case keys dot a. This is going to be left. So we want to minus speed. Off x equals minus speed. And then we break again. Case keys dot d. That's going to be the right direction. Off x equals speed. Okay. I feel like there's a much better way of doing that. Looks kind of messy. Anyway. I hope it works. Let's see what it does. Hey, it works. I can move around. Look at that. But the only problem is, it's kind of wide. I don't want it wide like that, so I'm just going to fix that real quick. Player.width equals 50. Player.height equals 100. It's probably going to be a little bit wonky. Yep, but it's a lot better than it was before. Whee! And I'm already noticing a little bit of bug here. As you can see, it's kind of flickery when you move around. So let me remove this and see what it does. Okay, that definitely improved the flickeriness. I could improve it more, so do that now. Location equals new point. Left plus offset x. Top plus offset y. And I'm going to remove these. Now let's run it again. There we go. Not much difference. But, you know. Whatever. It's probably better than before. Alright, the next problem I'm having here is it's a bit jumpy and it's kind of annoying to move around. So what I wanted to do is actually I don't know. You can say it like that for now. I'm curious to see if I set this to minus, will it flip the image? Okay, it doesn't show at all. Never mind. Okay. Okay, that's a much better size. Um, hmm. I have made Among Us in. I've made Among Us. It's amazing. I've made Among Us in WinForms. Probably the first. I don't know. What next? I don't know. Change the background, I guess. 35, 35, 35. Good enough. Something I've always been confused on how it works. I'm not speaking English. I've always been confused on how cameras work in 2D and 3D. But when we're done 2D, yeah. Yeah, I don't know how cameras work. I'd assume you just, when you move the camera, you move everything in the opposite direction. But I can see that causing performance problems, so I don't know. Mic went out again, I think. Or at least my audio keeps cutting out for some reason. Um, Hold on a second. How do I pause this recording? I don't think I can. Be right back in like 15 seconds. Okay, I am back. I need this to move a lot faster, because that's kind of slow, as you can tell. I just can't think of a way. I used to be able to do it, but it wasn't WinForms, it was processing Java. Like the actual programming environment written in Java. Um, that was kind of cool. Processing dot, whoops, processing.org. Yeah, their programming environment is pretty cool. You can do all sorts of things with it. It's just so easy to use. I keep saying but yeah. I said it again. It's so easy. It's so much easier than this. Stop saying that. It is 10 times easier than using WinForms, to be honest. Especially for a game. Even though it's not for games. It's still very easy. Moving on. How do I flip an image? Because I want this to turn around when I go the other direction. Because it's still facing this way when I go this way. when I move this direction, I want the image to flip so it's looking that way. I could probably write my own algorithm to do it, but it'd be very slow. Oops, I double clicked. I guess we'll give it a go. Make it a global function. Public static. Reverse image. Reverse image. There we go. And this needs to return image or bitmap. Using system dot media. Is that it? Okay. What do I need to import? Using system.drawing, okay. Return null. Just to get rid of the errors temporarily. Okay. I need to reverse the image. So for int I or y equals 0. I'm so used to typing I in for loops. I need bitmap parameter image dot height. My god. Height. Y plus plus. I wasn't planning on uploading this to YouTube, but this might actually be some content. Anyway, let's write the x axis for loop. X, 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 oops, X, width. Alright. How's this gonna work? I know. Image dot set pixel x and y. Image dot get pixel. Image dot width minus x. Image dot height minus y. I thought of this because I've used it in inverting colors. Found it on a Stack Overflow post at one point. It might work. Who knows? Let's find out. Return image. I'm just gonna create a private variable in, oops, that should be in player. Private image reversed image. That shouldn't be like that. Okay. Program dot reverse image. Reversed image is equal to that image. Control A instead of Control S. This needs to be cast to a bitmap. Yeah. If offset X is lower than 0, make it a little cleaner if I did this. Image equals reversed image, else image equals, how do I get the original image? Okay, just create another variable, private image original image, original. Okay, original equals image, and original image. Alright, let's try that. So, it's a very slow algorithm, as I said. It's got to go through every pixel on startup, so it's going to take a while to start. I don't know if this is going to work, but let's see. Wow, I've been recording for 30 minutes. Time flies. Okay. This isn't going to start. It goes through every pixel. Okay. It goes through every pixel. And sets that pixel to the pixel on the opposite side. Does it really take that long? Let's search Stack Overflow. Surely you'll have an answer. Slow computer. Okay. Reverse bitmap image. C#. Okay. This is what I need. Okay. Instead of using my own function, I'm just going to do bitmap image okay. Reversed. I can remove this then. Alright. I like a task kill that other program running in the background. Oh my, why did I make the name so long? God. Task kill /f/im moving image as player winforms .exe. Huh, okay. What? So it opens and closes. And that happened after I added this function. What? That's weird. Why is it doing that? Moving image as player winforms. What? I'm confused. I don't need this, so get rid of that. It's not even opening anymore. Well, it's gotta be something to do with this. Surely. Run. There we go, okay. Let's start uncommenting lines. That works. That works. Alright, let's see what happens here. Okay. This is the problem. One of these lines. Does it work like that? Yeah, so for some reason, it's this. It doesn't want to work asynchronously. Okay. Asynchronous void. We're gonna call this init. And I'm just gonna put all this code in here. I don't want this. Get rid of it for now. I'm gonna call init in here and see if that makes a difference. No. Because my other idea was to make it asynchronous with another thread like this. Task.run. And we're going to await it. And maybe that will make a difference. Run. Line 37. Oh, so that was throwing an error and making it crash. I didn't realize. Okay. So reversed image is image, but image doesn't exist yet for some reason. Okay, while image equals null. Just do nothing. Because we don't want to do anything. Do nothing while image is null. Let's run that again. Okay. So we're using the upside down image. I didn't want that. I just wanted 90 degrees. Flip X. Uh, rotate. Flip. No. There we go. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so it looks the other direction. Now we just need it to change whenever we move. It looks like it should work. I'm just going to directly set it here, like that. Run, see what happens. No, that doesn't work. Hmm. Audio went out again. Okay. I'm wondering if I can just, yeah, okay. Let's see what that does. I was thinking maybe it's overriding the original image as well. Yes! Yes! It works! I've done it. It works. Yay. I can walk around now. Offset X is higher than 10. Might make it a little better. Yeah, oh no, that round it. It's over then 1. Okay. There we go. I've created Among Us. It's not even Among Us. It is the better Among Us, clearly. Yes, this is now $20. You can buy it on Steam. Totally. Whee! Doesn't even look like it's walking. It's floating around. You know. Maybe if we go off the edge like this, I want it to spawn down here instead. So if you go up here, it'll go back down here. Like that. And same for this. Go like this. Probably doesn't make any sense, but once I finish it, you'll know what I mean. If if left is higher than width, left equals 0. Actually, is minus width. If left is lower than 0, left minus width is lower than 0, left equals, I just realized it needs to be on the form. It needs to be the form's width. Find form. Find form dot width. I'm just gonna make a form object so I don't have to call that function every single time. Form f equals find form. Left equals f dot width plus the player's width. Okay. That's left and right. Let's give that a try. Oh, what the heck? It's disappeared. Yep, that's not working properly. Okay. What am I going to do to fix that? Let's see. So, if left is higher than the form's width, that should work fine. It's got to be something to do with this. If left minus width is lower than 2, let's try width minus left. Okay. So that's what I didn't want to happen, but it's clearly not working. Width minus left. Okay. Okay. Try again. Just whenever I move, it just disappears. It's not supposed to happen. If it is lower than or equal to 0, I knew that wasn't going to happen. Okay. Left minus width. this shouldn't be here. I just realized I'm dumb. It should be plus, actually. Plus width. Okay. That's a start. That might need to be minus. Start. Oh, I think you might be able to hear me better now. Okay. There we go. Much better. Okay. This is another problem. It won't go back to the start, so let's fix that. Minus f dot width. No, wait, that's not how it works, is it? Oopsies. F dot width. No. Let's just set it to 0 for now. Oh, okay. Interesting. Wow, I've been recording for almost an hour now. 0 minus width. This is technically what I was doing before. Okay. Yeah, it just won't let me do it. Minus width. So it's negative the version of the player's width from here to here, which should be around here somewhere, which should be off the screen. If I just move like this, no, other side. If I do this until the player has gone off the screen, it'll teleport to the other side. Yeah. What else? Yeah, I forgot what I was doing. Why? Okay, well clearly. No, that's not clearly. Where is it getting that value from? It works when I set it to 0. That's really weird. Okay, watch this. It has no problem doing that. I'll just hard code it. So I was just thinking of hard coding the value instead of using the player width. So the player width is like 50 or something. I think maybe the issue is it's detecting us going over the edge and modifying it and changing the value to something really weird. Oh, I know what was going on. So it was teleporting to here, and then I was going, okay, we'll move it to there. And it goes, okay, well, the player's gone off the screen, let's move him back. Oh, okay. Alright. Let's try that again. That didn't look right. Okay. That was meant to be minus 50. Oops. Okay. Okay, we're having that problem again. If I just set it to minus width, -1, it will stop doing that, wouldn't it? No. I think that needs to be set to +1. So it doesn't detect it going off the edge when we teleport. There we go. I knew it. Alright. Haven't got very far with this. Whee! Yeah, so I need to do the same with up and down. If top is um if top is lower than 0, actually no, minus height, plus, I can get rid of that. I can get rid of this now, I think. I just realized I had that there. Okay. So if that's lower than 0, I can set the top equals to f dot height minus height, or the bottom. If top is higher than f dot height, top equals minus height. Okay, that wasn't right. I saw something a little bit weird there. Okay, so if I do that a little bit slower. Yeah, okay. Um, hmm. So it's done here. If top, so if it's touching the top here, or it's lower than the top, it will go down to here, to this position. But that's where it spawns, or teleported to. Height, the form width, minus the player width, the player height, I mean. I said height instead of width. I meant height. Okay, so that height and value can't be right then. I'll try hard coding it, like I did before. It's not much that big of a deal. It's not much of a big of a... It's not really big. Not really... I can't talk. It's not a big deal, to be honest. I can just leave it for now. Come back to it later. I mean, the rest works. I change this back to height so I can modify the height from here. So I'm going to change these to be a little smaller. 20, 50, see how that looks. Too high. 35. Good enough. I just realized how bad this is. Among Us clone. Okay, that looks a little better. Maybe it'd be better if I just controlled it with the mouse. Yeah, I'll see what I can do. Mouse. Mouse. Mouse move. Um, mic stopped again. Okay. Um, int last x. Last x equals 0 for now. Last x equals e dot x. Int last y equals 0. Last y equals e dot y. So basically what I want to do is find the difference between the last x and y, between the current, um, int dist x equals e dot x minus last x int dist y equals e dot y minus last x, or last y I mean. And then player dot move player values. I can just do dist x and y. Let's give it a try. This is gonna fail. Oh god. I mean, it follows the mouse. It works. It finds the distance. It looks around. Pretty cool. Alright, let's make it kill things. Or be the imposter. Okay, so I need to make another control. Like the player, but it's an enemy. Let's just say crewmate. Doesn't need to be capitalized. Crewmate.c#. And build this off of a panel. using system dot windows dot forms. In here, I need to create. Hold on a second. I'll just copy code from here, change it a little. Crewmate.c#. Okay. So I'm just gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove this. I just need the image. And let me build this so I can have everything there. Build. And then we'll have our custom controls on the side. There we go. We drag our crewmate in. We scroll into the bottom, set the image here. The crewmate. Whoops, hold on a second. The crewmate will be cyan. This one. And let me set something. Public crewmate background. Oh my god. Ground background image layout equals image layout dot stretch. Okay. Let's go back to here. Okay, there we go. We can walk around and we can't really walk on that because we're not hovering over the form when we're hovering over the image. Okay, I'm back again. So basically I just want to set size to that to the same as the imposter, and I'm going to paste these around everywhere. Right there, right there, right there, right there, and there. Okay. Save that. If we run that, we're going to have a bunch of crewmates on a little map. And we can control the imposter. Ta-da. I want to be able to kill these crewmates here. Okay. I don't know. Okay. We click on our crewmate. and we click on our crewmate, we will run a function. We will kill it basically, and we'll increment our kill count up the top here somewhere. Public static int kill count equals 0. Find form dot controls dot remove this. Main form, form 1 dot kill count plus equals 1. Okay, so I should be able to just go around and kill the crewmates. There we go. But every time we kill a crewmate, I'll probably just want to spawn more in. Form f equals find form. F. Okay. So I want to just add them like this. Form crewmate cm equals new crewmate cm dot width equals 20, cm dot height equals 30, and then we just need to add our crewmate to the form at a random location. Random r equals new random cm dot location equals new point. Int x equals r dot next 0. Form dot width int y equals r dot next 0 f dot height. X and y. And then we just want to add the control to the form. Controls dot add. Oopsies. Add crewmate semicolon. Okay, let's give that a try. It doesn't look like it's spawning more in. Okay, weird. Oh, I know what's going on. cm.image equals resources dot Among Us player. Okay, let's try that again. Kill, 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 kill. It's working. But some of them aren't showing up properly. Yeah, they're going off the screen, which is a problem. To fix that, we can just minus that by 20, minus that by 30. That should work. I want my player to always be on the bottom. Like this. So this dot move to bottom. Top. So on here you can just press bring to front. Front. Okay, so bring to front. Okay, we'll use that in the crewmate function when we spawn in. Here. There we go. Let's try that. It didn't really work. One thing I did want to do is center the player in the mouse location. So, like this. Um, hmm. Thinking. I'm thunking. How would I do that? I've forgotten what I was gonna do. Great. Trying to remember now. Oh yeah, it's gonna center it in the mouse position. Okay then. I will have to do that in the player thing. -10. And then -15. Whoa. That's kinda cool though. What the heck? I like it. Anyway, I think I was supposed to do this. This might fix the problem. Or not. Hmm. What the hell? Um. Weird. I'm doing something really dumb. I know it. It's something really, really, really simple. Okay. And there goes a truck. Nice and loud for the mic. Thank you very much. Offset x minus equals 20. Whoops, that's 10, not 20. Offset y minus equals 15. Oh my god. Okay, 15. Let's try again. Why? Why no work? The imposter is flying around. Woo. How do I fix this? I'm just gonna leave it for now. I can't think. Boop, 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 bop, 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 bop. It goes on forever, it doesn't stop. Some of them are on the wall, you can't actually see them. They're just right on the edge. Or down to 3. I need to fix that bug. It's in crewmate.c sharp. I thought I did. Okay. Fix later. Can't be bothered. This game is terrible. How long have I been recording? An hour and 30 minutes. No one's gonna watch this entire thing. Alright. I think I'm gonna stop now. It's been long enough. Bye bye.